got Wacom tablet, which is used to write. If you are making online courses, or you are a creative designer, you want to draw stuff using pen, this is the best tool to use. This is designed by Wacom, and we got, this is a USB plug-in model, and it is 6-inch tablet. Let's unbox it and check it out what's inside. This is very brand new. Yes. Oh, we got a tablet. This is a 6-inch. Since it is a 6-inch model, it is pretty much okay for me to try writing different stuff. And what's it? We got okay, we got a pen or stylus, so we can use stylus to write stuff which will reflect in the computer or laptop that you want to connect with this YouTube. So let's check it out how it's going to work practically by connecting to my laptop. Yes, so I've attached a USB cable to this scribble pad, which I call my sweet name. So I got a stylus, and we have this tag that we can attach. We can put this elastic stylus into this elastic tag, which can, or else we're gonna lose this stylus. It's very important for us to write, or else it won't work with the fingers. It's work with the stylus only. So I've connected to sketch.io. It's a website where we can write the scribbling, we can scribble everything. We can also use Windows Paint, but I like this tool because it is more user friendly, and it's like a more friendly feature for when we do writing. But when we write on the Windows Paint, it's not as friendly, because sometimes the curves, the smooth curves will not be perfect in the Windows Paint. So I see this is a good tool, and let's go and check. I'm going to write this stuff, some kind of information on this website. So I'm writing now. Okay. So this is my first test. You see? So it's like writing on a paper. It's very useful. So I'm going to show you live. Look. Now I'm going to write. Sorry, sometimes this mouse go below the screen recorder. Right? You see? So this gadget I'm going to use to teach online courses, because what I see is I have limited space. I cannot host a big whiteboard, and I can't explain that. So I see this tool is very useful for me. At the same time, I can share my screen. I can share my webcam as well, and I can perform, make an explanation or videos. I can explain the process and everything. It's very useful, and it's very affordable. And if you're interested in purchasing this tool, I put a link below in this video. It's on Amazon link. You can purchase it. It's very good. I recommend.